Hello everyone. In this session, I'll be talking on how to prevent and manage common medical laboratory errors and mistakes. As medical laboratory professionals, it's our responsibility to make sure that all medical tests are accurate and complete and free from errors or mistakes that not only can harm a patient. The first way to prevent errors or mistakes is by becoming thoroughly familiar with the policies and procedures that all our staff should work with. Make sure that everyone takes the time to read over the lab's manuals and understand the procedures they will be utilizing in detail. This will allow them to recognize when something is wrong, so they can take the necessary steps to fix it before it causes any harm. The second way to prevent errors or mistakes is by double checking all the results and data. Anytime they are analyzing results, make sure they compare them to any previous test results that they have. That way, if there are any irregularities, they can catch them right away. Additionally, it's always good to double check the calculations and make sure all of the results are correct. Another tip to prevent errors or mistake is to make sure that all of the equipment, each and every equipment is properly working. Always be sure by inspecting the machine, ensuring that they are doing the maintenance. Check for any parts that are not working or are damaged. Check all the wires connections. Check if it is fit to run samples. If it is not fit, do not run the samples. Fix it, replace it, and then only start. However, no matter how we try to prevent errors or mistakes, sometimes they still occur because a sample runs through many hands. So in order to manage these scenarios, we need to ensure that all the laboratory personnel and everybody who are in this loop, from doctors to transport staff to collecting staff, everybody are on the same page where they can identify when something goes wrong, respond immediately, and only then can we prevent real harm not occurring to a patient. So make sure that anything that is going wrong is reported, a corrective action is put immediately, and a preventive action to ensure that it doesn't happen again. So that's the only way we can reduce the frequency of errors, by training, retraining, putting corrective actions, preventive actions, and ensure that the number of errors that occur drastically reduce, thus ensuring safety to patients. Thank you for listening.